If I were asked, under what sky the human mind has most fully developed some of its choicest gifts, has most deeply pondered on the greatest problems of life, and has found solutions, I should point to India. A young man born into poverty in India carefully penned incredible new discoveries and mailed them to mathematician G.H. Hardy at the University of Cambridge. The letter closed, "Being poor, if you are convinced that there is anything of value, I would like to have my theorems published. Yours truly, Srinivasa Ramanujan." Ramanujan intuitively drew upon ancient Indian knowledge systems that enabled him to observe whole mathematical theories in his mind. This capacity, coupled with Hardy's Western scientific approach, changed the world of mathematics forever. A century later, the legacy of Ramanujan continues to influence mathematics and even black holes, a concept that was not even discovered at the time. Now imagine an educational institution that fused ancient Indian wisdom with Western cutting-edge university practices. How many more stories like Ramanujan's would we see? Consider a Bachelor of Commerce course with management insights from the Bhagavad Gita, combined with daily meditation and subjects focused on multiplying impact for the greater good. Or perhaps an LLM in legal theory that draws on ethical and moral dimensions from great epics such as the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Well, this is precisely what the newly founded Chinmaya University offers. For centuries, Indian intelligentsia have made enormous contributions to math, science, politics, linguistics, performing arts, economics, architecture, medicine, and more, often many, many centuries before similar discoveries were made anywhere else in the world. For instance, we all knew Copernicus first discovered that the Earth revolves around the Sun in the 16th century, right? Wrong. It was the Indian mathematician and astronomer Aryabhatta who first figured it out. He determined the Earth was round and that we orbited the Sun some 1,000 years before Copernicus was even born. So many of these advancements have been based on the ancient Indian knowledge systems, rooted in the Sanskrit language and preserved, studied, and developed over millennia. At its core, these systems gave individuals a formidable understanding of the power of their mind by revealing mankind's limitless potential. They unleashed some of the most complex and creative ideas in our history. This incredible system and the vast treasure trove of knowledge that it unlocks is what is being revived and taught at Chinmaya University, a vision of the great Vedantic master of the 20th century, Puja Swami Chinmayananda. By combining the deep insights of the past with latest independent thinking and expert instruction, Chinmaya University will help to create a new generation of global leaders. Leaders who are vibrant, humble, inspiring, and successful. Leaders who won't merely think outside the box, but discard the boundaries altogether to drive genuinely disruptive and positive innovations. And most importantly, leaders with compassion and curiosity, who truly believe their progress is intertwined with the progress for all. This is an ambitious approach, but history shows incredible feats can be achieved with the right foundation. The Brihadishwara temple, built in the year 1010, used ancient Indian architectural acumen to construct one of the tallest temple towers on earth. The taller the building, the loftier the ambitions, then the stronger the foundations need to be. And from there, anything is possible. Together we can build the foundations of a different kind of future. A future that we together want to live in and share with generations to come. Find out more about how you can be part of history in bringing the best of our past to enrich our future at cvv.ac.in.